Oh, how thy worth was manners, may I sing, when thou art all the better part of me. What can mine own praise to mine own self bring? And what is it but mine own when I praise thee? Even for this, let us divided live, and our dear love lose name of single one, that by this separation I may give, that deserves treat alone. O absence, what a torment wouldst thou prove, were it not thy sour leisure gave sweet leave to entertain the time with thoughts of love, which time and thoughts so sweetly doth deceive, and that thou teachest how to make one twain, by praising him here who doth hence remain. 当你是我更好的那一半时，我又如何能以得体的方式歌颂你的价值？赞美自己又能给自己带来什么？当我赞美你时，赞美的不正是我自己？正是为了这个缘故，让我们分开而居，让我们亲爱的爱失去合而为一的名分。这样，借由这份分离，我才能将你应得的赞美单独地给予你。离别，你会是怎样的折磨？若非你苦涩的闲暇给予了甜蜜的许可，让我以爱的思绪来消磨时光，时光与思绪便如此甜蜜地相互欺瞒。你教会了我如何将一化为二，通过在此赞美那远在他处之人。